Let's talk about the measuring and monitoring section of ICD-10 PCS. In this section, you are going to learn about the different character meanings. You're going to learn about the root operations of the measurement and monitoring section, the body system values, how to identify the approach, the function, and qualifiers used for the ICD-10 PCS measurement and monitoring section. And you'll learn how to code the measurement and monitoring section of ICD-10 PCS. Measurement and monitoring section of ICD-10 PCS is the fifth section. Measurement and monitoring is used to report procedures in which a physiological or physical function is measured or monitored. The character 1 value for measurement and monitoring is a value 4. Character 2, which represents body system of the measurement and monitoring section, has 2 values. Value A for physiological system and value B for physiological devices. Character 3 for the measurement and monitoring section represents the root operation, and there are 2 root operations used. Measurement, which has a value of 0, or monitoring, which has a value of 1. Measurement means determining the level of a physiological or physical function at a point in time. Monitoring means determining the level of a physiological or physical function repetitively over a period of time. Character 4 of the measurement and monitoring section of ICD-10 PCS represents the body system or region. Character 4 represents the body system that is being measured or monitored. The values vary according to each table, but identify a body system. Approach is the 5th character value in the measurement and monitoring section. There are 6 approach values for this section. Use varies according to each table. As you review the approaches listed here, you will notice that you have seen them before. They are the same approaches that have been used in previous chapters, including the medical and surgical section. The 6th character of the measurement and monitoring section represents function. It indicates either physiological or physical function being measured or monitored. You need to remember that not all characters are valid for all tables in the measurement and monitoring section, so the tables need to be referenced for the correct character assignment. The 7th or final character represents the qualifiers. For the measurement and monitoring section, the qualifier value varies according to the table that is being used. The specific qualifier values further specify the body part or a variation of the procedure performed. So let's go over some key points that you need to remember when coding for the measurement and monitoring section. The first character value for this section is always 4. The second character value for the measurement and monitoring section has 2 possible values. You could have A for physiological system or B for physiological devices. The third character value also has two possible values, which indicate the root operation. You have measurement and you have monitoring. Remember, the fourth value in the measurement and monitoring section varies according to the physiological system or physiological device. The fifth character value in the measurement and monitoring section has 6 possible values. And for the sixth character value in the measurement and monitoring section, the physiological or physical function being measured or monitored is identified. And lastly, for the seventh character value in the measurement and monitoring section, the value indicates the specific body part or variation of the procedure performed. Let's try our hand at coding a cardiac stress test, single measurement. Okay, so let's go over to the answer to the coding assignment. The correct answer is 4A02XM4. 4 equals measurement and monitoring, A equals physiological system, 0 equals measurement, 2 cardiac, X external, M total activity, and 4 stress. I hope you all got that answer.